Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm back out on my scroll saw. I took this pattern and cut it out. Now I'm coming in and I'm painting it with both acrylic paint and also some chalk paint. After that, when it dried, I just used some Minwax to lightly wax it and buff it. It makes it easier to chalk on. And this chalk paste is shimmer gold. It's beautiful. This particular transfer, the herringbone transfer, I cut in half because it was such a big one, so I had to piece the top of it. And now I used our alignment tape to put the letters on here, and I'm using black velvet paste. And can you guess what I put on there? Keep watching. Anyway, I did sand the background, so it's pretty muted, which is what I wanted, so that the letters would show up really well. And you guessed it, boo. Now I'm going to take some Halloween transfers, and I'm mostly going to use the letters on there. And I am using, it's grape soda, which now I guess the closest would be Regal for the purple. I'm using the words mostly. However, I did use the ghost about 3 times actually. And the words were eek, beware, and spooky. Now I finish up with a ghost everywhere. Here I tried it without washing it in between. It worked, but if you had the time, it's better to clean it first. And there it is, all done. And I was really happy the way that ended up. I do have the other side to do, so you need to tune in, come back, and see what I do with that one. Well, I like it. Distressed too much? Not enough? You tell me. Thanks for watching.